What is up, guys? Today I'll be introducing you to the best spreadsheet of all time. This spreadsheet has saved me and thousands of people so much time when looking for stuff to buy on agents like Cnfans, ACBuy, and all the other agents, you name it. Like what do people be using these days? I don't know. Anyways, this is a spreadsheet where you can find the best items to buy on any agent. And yeah, without further ado, let me introduce you to it. Introducing Repsheets.net. Look how clean this spreadsheet is. It has the best interface of any spreadsheet you can find. If you guys want me, I can add other agents because I know Cnfans might not be your choice, but so far this is Cnfans, and you can always just like convert the links. According to my data, over 6,000 people use Repsheets.net actively, so that just shows you that people choose it as their first choice when trying to browse stuff to buy. Anyways, let's click browse finds. I mean, look at this. You can scroll for days on this. I have over 5,000 items on this spreadsheet, and if you want to search for a specific item, you can go to the top right hand corner, click the search thing. Let's say you want to search Supreme. Here we go. You got Supreme jerseys, Supreme underwear, Supreme beanies. You got all these Supreme items. Let's say you want Jordans, Jordan carpet, Jordan X Travis Scott, Jordan carpet, all these Jordans. Let's say you want to filter it by, you know, prices. Like you have a $20 budget, and here's your updated $20 budget of anything that you want to buy. You know, shirts, clothes, socks, phone cases, wallets, necklaces, gloves, flags, umbrellas. It has everything. Now, I spent the last month designing and perfecting this website, so it has tracking where you can just enter your tracking number and it'll track. It has a link tool, which I'm gonna show you this because it's so fire. So let's say you have a link from CONDONE, ACBuy, or MuleBuy, or any other buys, and you want to convert to Cnfans or check out item info or QC pictures. You just paste it in here, click get info, give it a few seconds, and boom, it'll tell you the price, how much is CNY, how much sales, what the popularity is. It'll show you quality check images, which is my favorite part because like you don't know what you're buying until you see the images. So this is like the best. As you can see, shows you all the product styles that come in this thing, and it's honestly just the best. And then look, I click checkout, and it's in Cnfans format now. It's in Cnfans format instead of CONDONE. It's my favorite. It's my favorite. And then you got tutorials in case you want to know how to buy on Cnfans, in case you want to know how to bypass the risk reminder, which is my favorite. Like this thing helps me so much. Like the bypass risk reminder saves me so much time. If you guys need to get that extension, I'll put it in the top right of the video. You need to click it. And then of course in the very top right, if you want to claim some coupons, click that and it'll bring you to a sign up page where you can get over $129 worth of free coupons on Cnfans. Anyways, Repsheets.net is finally out. I've been working on it for so long. It's been over like 3 months, which is so crazy. There's a lot that goes on behind the scenes when it comes to creating a website like this, and I want to make sure it's perfect for you guys to use. So yeah, go check out Repsheets.net today, Repsheets.net. I'll put it in the description, first link. Go check it out and start browsing for your rep needs.